Hey! Today we're going to talk about a very wholesome family game called Grand Theft Auto. Even old guys like me know what Grand Theft Auto is. I mean, in my early 30s, it was one of those few games out there, wholesome games, where you could like shoot prostitutes and yank people out of cars and carjack cars and all kinds of fun stuff like that. Most people who have played video games in the last 25 years have heard of Grand Theft Auto and probably played it, except for the Mennonite community and the Amish community for some reason that escapes me. So the release date for Grand Theft Auto 6 is November 19th, 2026. Prior to its release, however, somebody has been leaking the game online, and they're doing it for profit. This person is leaking, playing the game online and stuff like that. It's not even out yet, and don't know how they got it. Couldn't tell you that. But what they're doing it for is so that they can profit from the sale of some sort of cryptocurrency. Generally, when someone is pirating intellectual property, the very first step is a cease and desist letter. That's what gets sent to the person. Stop doing this. And if someone's profiting off of your IP, you might have the legal right to go in and take all of their profits from them, to disgorge them of those profits, is what they call it in law, and keep those profits for yourself because they used your IP to get those profits. But in this particular case, who do they send the cease and desist letter to? Who knows? At this point, the person that's doing this is nothing more than a John Doe. We don't know who it is. And so they want to have the identity of John Doe revealed. And so what's happened is they've gone to the courts and they said, courts, please give us subpoena power. When I say they, it's attorneys go to the courts and they say, I would like to have subpoena power. Subpoena power means that you can go force people to give you information. And so they've asked the court for subpoena power, and every single bit of chain that they think they can find, IP addresses, these sort of things, the cryptocurrency site itself, those sort of things, they're sending out subpoenas so that they can inch down that chain to eventually get to that person who is pirating Grand Theft Auto 6. Stay tuned. If the identity is ever revealed, we don't know yet, we'll let you know. Subscribe.